Get acquainted with the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The all-new Chevrolet Silverado, the full-size pickup with a heritage of strength and dependability, improved bed design, and expanded cargo capacity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, trip computer, steering wheel controls, power windows, cruise control. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.